Well, I think I got it wrapped up. This was a big job. There was a massive oak that was right here that fell down. You can see it went up through the fence there. It was up over that little shed, all in through there. Took a bunch of the pine apart. So my job was to buck it all up and pile it all here, pieces. And then I carried, there's a around the corner of the building there's a trailer there, so I had to carry all the brush out there, then load it with the excavator into my dump trailer, take it over and dump it, leave all the piles of wood here. I couldn't get right to the very up there. That big one right there is broken. I didn't want to put spurs on, hack that tree up. Anyway, this is cleaned up. I had to grind a bunch of stumps over there and dig some planting holes. I think I got it wrapped up. It's a foggy day out here today in Chester Basin. And there was a big, over and way over there was a big pine branch that broke off that I had to haul up. The gentleman owns both these houses, this one and that one. That one over there is twice the size of this one. Anyway, I'm a little wet. So we can wrap it up.